you need help with mathematics, the GIT home tuition is here to assist you. So today we are looking at this topic, that is circle theorem. And under the circle theorem, there are a lot of theorems that you need to know to be able to solve questions and that. So we are going to take it one by one. So with regards to this question is saying that you have a circle, all right, and within the circle there's a that is a triangle, and the question is saying that find angle PRQ, angle PRQ. So that means that the angle at this side, that is what you're looking for. Now I wrote this theorem here to help you to understand this question better. Now whenever you have a question like this, you have to first of all look at it. Look at where this one is. This is the center, and P to R is the diameter, all right, because it's passing through the center of the circle. So in a situation like that, let's look at what the theorem that you need to solve a question like this. So you have this one also here showing you that from this end to this end is passing through the center, which is O. Now let's look at what the condition says. The angle, the diameter of a circle subtends at the circumference is 90. So this is the diameter. The angle that it creates or generates at the circumference is what? Of a circle is what? 90 degrees. So let's look at this. This side is 90. So that means that the diameter, the ends of the diameter, when they meet together at any point of the circumference, that point that they met, that is, it was a diameter, the end point met at any point on the circumference of a circle, that point that they met, the angle that is created there is 90 degrees. You have to keep this one in mind if you want to understand circle theorem. So this is one of the theorems, all right. Now, so how do we go about with this question? Having this understanding of this very particular theorem, your focus now is that you pull this triangle out. So look at it. Pardon me in case I'm not able to draw it as it is. So this side is 35, all right. Now with that understanding, we can say that then because this is diameter and it subtends at the circumference, this side is 90, all right. So this is the part that we are looking for. We don't know, we can represent it by what? X. So having been able to do this, then you bring your understanding that you have gotten or received from what? Angles. What does it say? The sum of angles in a triangle is equal to what? 180, meaning that you have what? 35 degrees plus the 90, and I've explained to you how you got the 90, plus x equal to what? 180 degrees. So when you put this one together, what do you have? That will give you 125 degrees plus x equal to 180 degrees. So you make x the subject, giving you x equal to 180 degrees minus 125 degrees. So what do you have? You have, that is 55 degrees